Hello everybody, I've got a package here and I've got a quick video for you. Shouldn't take a long time. Hang out for a minute. It won't be long. Anyhow, I've got a packing slip in here. All right, this came from SanerDirect. My friends at SanerDirect. They're always asking me if I want to show something, and I'm like, sure. They come out with new stuff. I'm like, yeah, but this one's interesting. This one I'm very intrigued by. Let me show you what we got. Okay, get rid of our bubble wrap there. Oh, now we got another plastic wrap. Let's get it out of the plastic. All right, so this is drill storage. Okay, it's drill storage of a different sort. I love the labels. Love the labels you can put on the containers. Love the case, how it closes, snaps. Love it. All right, what do we have inside? What do we have inside? We have, there goes the labels, we have giant Tic Tac style containers. Now, yeah, I call these Tic Tac because of the way they open like this, Tic Tac, right? And these pull out like that, okay? But look at the size of those things. Look at the size. Excuse me. They're big. They're super big. Now, I love Tic Tac containers for storing special drills. All right. I have a couple of different containers that I put my special drills in, my rhinestones, my marquees, all that stuff. And I use them for storing, you know, for extras, for spares. And they work great because they're kind of small, you know, they're thin. They're half the size of this. That would be the size of the Tic Tac container right there, right? They're just kind of hard for me to use as a kit up solution for a painting. But these, maybe a different story. Let's see. How many's in here, first of all? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 24. 24, that's a nice number. And these are large. This is comparable, I believe, to Harbor Freight, which I just happen to have here. So look. Here's my one of my last kits I did in Harbor Freight. I have not kitted down yet. Okay, so look at the size. This is actually a little smaller. So if you're looking for, you know, saving a little space, it's a little smaller, has a handle, still fastens nicely, just like the Harbor Freights do. Let's get these out of the way. You're in my way. Okay, comparable solution. Well, how much do these hold versus how much these hold? Well, let's find out. Let's find out. Excuse me, I need a drink. I've been recording and talking and, yeah. All right, so, I just pulled the top off. Okay, so the top comes right off, okay? Slides right in. Let's open this one up. Sure, let's open this one. And I'm gonna pull out this container right here because I did not use those. I replaced those with ABs. So this is a full, pretty much full container. Will it fit in there? Let's find out. Okay, now when I kit these up, here's the one thing that I will say I like about the Harbor Freight. They snap shut. You can kind of toss these around quite a bit and they don't pop open, you know. I suppose they would if you dropped it really hard. But this does this all the time. Things get stuck in there. People don't like that. I don't really have a problem with it, but anyhow, it's not about Harbor Freight. But when I open them, I've got a big area here to dump my drills in, okay? The Tic Tac container here has, you know, a much smaller space to dump a bag of drills in. Now, I'm pretty sure I could dump a bag of drills in there if I was careful, cut the corner and poured it in with no problem. However, we're gonna dump those in there. So I have enlisted the trusty help, my trusty helper, sorry, the help of my trusty friend. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this little funnel, okay? And we're gonna see what we can get in here. All right. The funnels are sometimes kind of sticky, you know, like look, see inside? Yeah, the drills tend to stick in there, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, let's keep going. How much will fit in here? Okay, we're getting close. And that, see, I don't like that. I'd use a tray probably. A nice tray with a spout would probably work better than the funnel is working. But I've still got room. It's probably not going to hold quite as much as one box of the Harbor Freight, but it's going to be awfully close. We're going to get quite a few in here. Okay, I just want you guys to come in. Just bounce them around here a little bit. Oh, goodness. Okay. So anyhow, we're getting quite a few, right? Getting quite a few. Let's see. Since I got just a few in here, do I dare? Do I dare? Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Okay. That, my friends, is a pretty full bag of Diamond Art Club drills right there. Right? That's like a nice full bag. I didn't use any of those, and there were a lot of them, so it was a pretty complete bag. All right? That's how much they hold. Okay? So now if you wanted to use this to kit up a painting, I like that you can put the sticker right here. Like, look, I'm just going to do this because, at some point I'm going to put stickers on them for something. But look, you could put a sticker right there. It fits. It's made perfect to fit right on the top there. This opens. Dump them out. Putting them back in. Like I said, if you have a tray with a spout, you'll be all right. If you want to try putting them in that hole like that, you can. I would suggest you take off the top, but, it's not a bad kit up solution. And of course, it can still certainly be used for long-term storage. Like, I was telling Brandy during Smashing the Specials that what I like to do, okay, when I fill these up with long-term storage and you got this all fastened, all you got to do is look at the bottom. I can look at the bottom of these and I can see everything that's in here. Like if I could tell you I had red rhinestones in here and ABs in here and some marquees, and you can just look at the bottom. You don't have to lift every single one out, People are like, oh, what's in here, You don't have to do that. Just tip it up, look at the bottom, and you can see everything that's inside your boxes. That's what I like about this for storing special drills. So there's a couple options for you. You can use it as a kit up solution for a painting if you'd like to do that. You can hold 24 in there. Neat, tidy, and compact. That would not take up much room. Or you could use them for long-term storage. Up to you. You decide what you'd like to do. But it's a nice little set. Really nice little set. The fact that it comes with labels is cool. You could number these 1 through 24 if you would like. If you want to put your own little, you could put, the stickers off your paintings on there. If it comes with little stickers, you choose. You decide. Anyhow, I like it. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for sending it over here, SanerDirect, so I can show it to everybody. And let me know what you think. And if you have any other ideas how it could be used, or how would you proceed? Would you like it or not? All right. Okay. I will link it below so you can check it out. And that's all I got for today. I told you, a quick little video. Thanks so much, SanerDirect. Yeah, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet. Consider doing so. I do videos every day, okay? And you never know what it's going to be. Okay. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, everybody.